Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter Linear Equations in One Variable. Exercise 2.5. Solve the following equations. First problem. N by 5 minus 5 by 7 equal to 2 by 3. Here one variable, remaining all are constants. Find the value of n. So write n as a subject. Then send each number one time. Okay. Minus 5 by 7, doing here subtraction, send is equal that side, will do addition. Minus 5 by 7 is equal that side plus 5 by 7. N by 5 equal to 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. 3 and 7 are denominators. So these two fractions are unlike fractions. For unlike fractions, we can't add directly. So turn them into like fractions. To change like fraction, we must need the LCM. 3, 7 LCM. 3 and 7 are co-prime numbers. So their LCM is product. 3 7s are 21. Now change 3 as LCM 21, 7 as LCM 21. 2 by 3, 5 by 7. Okay. Now change this 3 as 21. So which number needed to multiply with 3, it's become 21. 3 7s are 21. Now I multiplied 3 with 7. Automatically multiply numerator also with 7. 2 7s are 14. Same in this way. 5 by 7. 7 change as 21. 7 3s are 21. 5 3s are 15. Now 2 by 3 and 14 by 21, these two are equivalent fractions. 5 by 7 and 15 by 21 also equivalent fractions. I changed here unlike fractions as like fractions. Now they are both denominator 21. Now 2 by 3 besides 14 by 25 and 5 by 7 besides 15 by 21. We can add numerators directly. 14 plus 15, 29 by 21. Now one more constant doing here division, send is equal that side. Division is equal that side, multiplication. 29 into 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are 10 and 4, 14. 145 by 21 means 145 by 21. 5 4 9 and 1 10. This number is not divisible by 3. So 145 by 21 is the answer. Now second problem. X by 3 minus x by 4 equal to 14. Again 3 and 4 are unlike fractions. Change them into like fractions. 3 and 4 LCM. These two numbers also co-primes. So LCM is their product. 3 4s are 12. Now x by 3, x by 4. Change their denominator as 12. 3 4s are 12. Then numerator also multiply with 4. 4 into x, 4x. 4 3s are 12. 3 into x, 3x. 4x by 12, x by 3. These two are equivalent fractions. Okay. Now besides of this 4x by 12, besides of this 3x by 12 is equal to 14. 4x minus 3x, send this 12 is equal to that side. Doing division is equal to that side, multiplication. 14 4s are 48, 14 1 is 14 plus 4, 12 4s are 48, 12 1 is 12 plus 4, 16. 4x minus 3x, x. Value of x is equal to 168. Next, third problem. Z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 is equal to 8. 2, 3, 6, these three denominators LCM. 2 1 is 2. 3 not divisible, so 2 3s are 6. Again 3 1 is 3 1 is 2 3s are 6 is the LCM of these three numbers. 2 3s are 6. See, 2 3s are 6. 3 into z, 3z. 3 2s are 6. 2 into z, 2z. 6 1 is 6, z 1 is z. Besides of z by 2, 3z by 6, z by 3, 2z by 6, z by 6, z by 6. 3z, 2z, 5z minus z, 4z is equal to 6. Doing here division is equal to that side, multiplication. Z is equal to 8 into 6 by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. The value of Z is 12. Now next fourth problem. 2p by 3 minus p by 5 equal to 11 2 by 3. 11 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. First convert this into improper fraction. 3 11s are multiplication here first. 3 11s are 33 plus 2 35. 35 by 3. 3 comma 5 LCM is 15. Now change this 3 denominator as 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 2s are 10 and p 10p. Okay. 5 3s are 15. 3 into p 3p. 10p by 15. 3p by 15. Besides of this 10p minus 3p, their difference 7p. 35 by 3 doing here 15 division is equal to that side multiplication. 3 1 is 3, 3 5s are 15. Now 35 into 5. 7 send is equal to that side. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 are 35. 5 5 are 25. Then value of P equal to 25. Next fifth problem. 9 1 by 4 is equal to 5 minus 1 1 by 3. Mixed fraction convert into improper. 9 4s are 36 plus 1 37 by 4 is equal to y minus 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Now send minus 4 by 3 is equal to that side. Then remaining y is equal to already there is 37 by 4 minus 4 by 3 is equal to that side 4 by 3. 4 comma 3 LCM is 12 because these two are co-primes. What is mean by co-primes? Those numbers their common factor as 1 they are called co-primes. 4 3s are 12, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 11. 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 16 by 12, 111 by 12. Okay. These two number sum is 127 and remaining 12. The value of y equal to 127 by 12. Next sixth one. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Actually send this minus 4 by 5 is equal to that side because all variable numbers one side, all constant one side. But I did here same as it is. 2 5 10 LCM is 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 into x 5x minus 5 2s are 10. 2 4s are 8 plus 5 2s are 10. 2x plus 10 10 same. So same 3x is equal to 1 by 5. Send this 10 is equal to that side. 1 by 5 into 10. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. Now 5x, 7x, 3x, 10x minus 8 is equal to 2. 10x is equal to minus 8 is equal to that side plus 8. 2 plus 8 gives 10. X is equal to 10 by 10. X value is 1. Next seventh problem. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Take all variables one side and constants one side. X by 2, this plus x by 3, this side minus x by 3, minus 1 by 4 is equal to that side plus 1 by 4. 2 comma 3 LCM is 6, 2 comma 4 LCM is 4. 2 3s are 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1 is 2 is equal to 2 4 LCM 4, 2 2 4, 2 1 is 2, 4 4 same, so 1 as it is. 3x minus 2x, x remaining 6 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. Send this 6 is equal to that side, then we'll do multiplication. 2 2 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9 by 2. The value of x is 9 by 2. Now next eighth problem. 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Do cross multiplication. Send this 3 is equal to this side to that side. 3 of 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 of 3x plus 2. 3 2s are 6x plus into minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to plus into minus 2 3s are 6x plus into minus 2 2s are 4. Take all variables one side. 6x minus 9 is equal to that side plus 9 minus 6x this side plus 6x 9 minus 4 6 6 12 is equal to 9 minus 4 5 x is equal to 5 by 12. Ninth problem. 8p minus 5 by 7p plus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 4. Again do the cross multiplication in this problem also. 4 this side minus 2 this side. 4 of 8b minus 5 is equal to minus 2 of 7b plus 1. 4 8s are 32b minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to plus into minus minus. 2 7s are 14b minus into plus minus 2 1 is 2. Now take all variables one side. 32b minus 14b this side plus 14b is equal to minus 2 minus 20 is equal to that side plus 20. 30 10 40 4 and 2 46. P is equal to 18. P is equal to 18 by 46. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. The value of P gives 9 by 23. Next to 8th, 9th, 10th problem. 7y plus 2 by 5 is equal to 6y minus 5 by 11. Again in this problem also do the cross multiplication. Then 11 that side, 5 is equal to that side. 11 of 7y plus 2 is equal to 5 of 6y minus 5. 11 7s are 77y plus 11 2s are 22 is equal to 5 6 are 30 plus into minus minus 5 5s are 25. Take all variables one side. 77y plus 30y is equal to this side minus 30y is equal to, already there is minus 25 plus 22 is equal to that side minus 22. 70 minus 30 40 and this is 7. 47y is equal to 25 20 45 to 47. Y is equal to minus 47 by 47. 47 47 get cancelled. Value of y is equal to minus 1. Now 10th problem. X plus 5. 11th problem. X plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Now left hand side first do the simplification. 6 comma 9 LCM. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 6 comma 9 LCM is 18. 6 3s are 18. So numerator also multiply with 3. 9 2s are 18. Numerator also multiply with 2 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. 3x plus 3 5s are 15 minus into plus minus 2 into x 2x minus into plus minus 2 1 is 2 is equal to, send this 18 is equal to that side. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now 3x minus 2x x, 15 minus 2 plus 13 is equal to 9. 9 into x, 9x plus 9 3 are 27 by 2. Take this to this side. 2 of x plus 3 is equal to 9x plus 2 27. 2 into x 2x plus 13 2s are 26 is equal to 9x plus 27. All variables one side. Send this 2x is equal to that side. Send this 27 is equal to this side. 9x minus 2x is equal to 26 minus 27. 7x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 7. Now 12th problem. 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 is equal to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. All are variables. Every fraction had a variable. Then check the denominator. 16 8 7 14. So 16 8 are in 8 table. 7 14 are in 7 table. So take at one side. 3t plus 1 by 16. Take this 8 is equal to this side. Send 2t minus 3 by 7 is equal to that side. Doing here subtraction is equal to that side. Addition. Doing here addition is equal to this side subtraction. 16 8 LCM 16. So direct 3t plus 1 minus 8 2s are 16. 2 of t plus 3 is equal to 14 14 same. 3t minus 1 plus 7 2s are 14. 2 into 2t minus 3. 3t plus 1 minus into plus minus 2 into t 2t minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6 by 16 is equal to 3t minus 1 plus 2 2s are 4t plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6 by 14. Now 3t minus 2t t minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 by 16 is equal to 3t plus 4t 7t minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 by 14. Now these two are same numbers. So take 7 as a common. Then remaining t minus 1. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. So this is equal to t minus 1 by 2. Now do the cross multiplication. 2 of t minus 5 is equal to 16 of t minus 1. 2 into t 2t minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 6. 16 into t 16t minus 16 1 is 16. Take all variables one side. 16t minus 2t is equal to, already there is a minus 10. Send this minus 16 is equal to that side plus 16. 16t minus 2t, 14t is equal to 16 minus 10 plus 6. T is equal to 6 by 14. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. The value of t is equal to 3 by 7. With this, first section is completed. I hope you all understood. Thank you so much.